Hello students. Today topic is river system. Today topic is river system. As per William Morris Davis, as per William Morris Davis, the river has three stages and compared with the human beings. One is youth stage, the second one is mature stage, youth stage, mature stage, third one is lower stage. Youth stage is also called upper stage and erosion stage. The mature stage is also called middle stage and transportation stage. The lower stage is also called depositional stage and old stage. Depositional stage and old stage. As per William Morris, the river system has three important stages when compared with the human beings: youth, mature, old. In youth stage, the river has some characteristics. In mature stage, the river has some characteristics, and also in old stage, it has some characteristics. First, we are going to discuss the youth stage characteristics. In youth stage, the river completely flows on the mountain areas. So, the velocity is more in youth stage. In youth stage, the river has no tributaries, and in youth stage, it has more down cutting because the river completely flows on the mountain area. And important characteristics in mature stage. In mature stage, the river velocity is medium. It has lateral cutting in youth stage. It has tributaries. It has lateral cutting in mature stage, not youth stage. It has tributaries in mature stage and some characteristics in old stage. In old stage, the river has distributaries The river has distributaries. The velocity has low in youth stage, and the volume of water percentage is more. The velocity is low in old stage. Sorry, not. I should say the river has more water volume percentage in old stage. Important erosional and depositional landforms of the youth stage or upper stage or erosion stage. First we are going to discuss the erosional landforms. In youth stage, the river has V-shaped valleys due to down cutting. The examples: the Himalayan rivers have more V-shaped valleys in the initial stage. Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The second erosional landform is gorges. In youth stage, the river has gorges. The gorges are also called eye-shaped valleys. The gorges have more depth than the V-shaped valleys due to more down cutting. Important gorge belongs to Indus River. We can see at Gilgit area of Pak occupied Kashmir. The third erosional landform is canyons. In youth stage, the river has canyons. Due to most down cutting in youth stage, the river has canyons. Canyons have more depth than the gorges. The important canyon belongs to Colorado River in North America. It is developed by the Colorado River in United States of America. It is a world famous. It is also called Grand Canyon. Its depth is 2 kilometers. Length is 320 kilometers. And area is 3,33,000 square kilometers. One is V-shaped valleys. The second one is gorges. Third one is canyons. Fourth one is waterfalls. In youth stage, the river has also waterfalls. Waterfalls form in youth stage due to erosion of the soft rocks. Some important waterfalls. Niagara is the biggest waterfall in the world. It is on the St. Lawrence River in North American continent. And second one is Angel waterfall. The Angel waterfall is the highest waterfall. It is on the Orinoco River in Venezuela country of South American continent. And in India, Jog waterfall. It is on the Saravati river in Karnataka state. These are the best examples we can see in youth stage of river system, important waterfalls. Fourth one is river piracy. We can see river piracies in youth stage. River piracy occurs when two rivers flow one on another in course of time or in the long run or after some time due to erosion of the floor area of the upper river. The upper river water is received by the lower river. So it is nothing but river piracy. In India, the Alakananda water is received by the Bhagirathi river. It is in Uttarakhand state. We can see river piracy in Uttarakhand state. One is V-shaped valleys. The second one is gorges. Third one is canyons. Fourth one is waterfalls. And fifth one is river piracy. And also we can see in youth stage rock benches and potholes. Potholes appear floor area of the river. Particularly, potholes are being developed by the angular rocks. That angular rocks are flow through the river of water. It is a brief explanation about the erosional landforms in youth stage of the river. Next we are going to discuss the depositional landforms in mature stage or transportation stage or middle stage. Natural levels, floodplains, we can see in mature stage of the river. Particularly, natural levels, floodplains appear when floods occur either sides of the rivers. International rivers and national rivers also. Best examples: Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra rivers, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapati, Penna, and so forth rivers in India. Amazon in South America, Nile in African continent, Danube in European continent, Mekong or Southeast Asian Danube River in Southeast Asian countries, Tigris, Euphrates in Iraq. These are the best examples. Meanders and oxbow lakes. Meanders and oxbow lakes also we can see in middle stage of the river or mature stage of the river. Meanders are nothing but the curved shaped depositional landforms which form lateral sides of the rivers. The Mississippi River has more meanders in the world. It is in North American continent. The Mississippi River, it rises Minnesota state of USA, flows towards southern side, outflows into the Gulf of Mexico. Gulf of Mexico is a part of the Atlantic Ocean. And oxbow lakes. If the meanders are excess, then that are converted into the oxbow lakes. We can see oxbow lakes in a mature stage. The Mississippi River has more oxbow lakes in the world. The oxbow lake, which belongs to Pinakini River or Penna River, it lies between Tamil Nadu state and Andhra Pradesh state, which is called Pulicat Lake. And alluvial fans. Alluvial fans also we can see in mature stage. The alluvial fan structure is like the fan. The alluvial fans form by the material of sand and clay materials. We can see more alluvial fans belongs to Ganges River in Uttarakhand state. These are the important depositional landforms in mature stage. Alluvial fans, floodplains, natural levels, meanders, oxbow lakes. And also we can see one erosional landform in mature stage, spurses. It is a triangular erosional landform. It appears floor area of the rivers. And we are going to discuss the depositional landforms of the old stage. In old stage, the old stage is nothing but where the rivers join the seas or oceans. In youth stage, the river completely flows on the mountain areas. In mature stage, almost the river flows on the flatted area. Old stage is nothing but where the rivers join the seas or oceans. Deltas form in old stage. Deltas are nothing but the triangular shaped landforms triangular shaped landforms. We can see in the old stage, lower stage, triangular shaped landforms. And also in old stage, the river has distributaries. The Godavari river has 7 distributaries. One is Gautami, Vainateya, Vasista, Tulya, Bharadwaja, Kausika, Atreya. These are the 7 distributaries belong to Godavari river. The Godavari river rises at Triambakam, Nasik district of Maharashtra state. It flows through Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Outflows into the Bay of Bengal near Andhra Pradesh. It divides 2 main branches at Dhavaleswaram near Rajahmundry. The main branches are 2. One is Gautami Godavari. The second one is Vasista Godavari. The Gautami Godavari outflows in the Bay of Bengal at Yanam near Kakinada. And the Vasista Godavari outflows in the Bay of Bengal at Narsapur in West Godavari district. In between Vasista and Gautami area is called triangular shaped or delta shaped depositional landform. The total length of the Godavari is 1465 kilometers or 1584 kilometers. If 2 answers are there, first one is correct. The catchment area or cultivated area of Godavari is 3,12,812 square kilometers. The important tributaries of Godavari are Sebari, Indravati, Vardha, Vainateya, Penganga, Manjira, and so forth. These are the main tributaries. It is a brief explanation about the river system. As per William Morris Davies or W.M. Davies, youth, mature, world. Regional, devotional landforms to be continued.